Little baby Caleb doesn't care. He's happy out, sleeping away. They say it's as loud in the womb as a vacuum cleaner. Must be true. Here's a move, Jack.